What's up, everybody? We're unboxing the brand new Xbox Adaptive Controller. It's out now, it's $100, and it is primarily intended to help people with limited mobility play games more easily. So we're gonna open up the box here. I think what's actually included in the box is pretty simple. You get the piece de resistance, the Xbox Adaptive Controller itself, quick start guide, and then I think this is just a USB charging cable. It's right there. So that's everything you get in the box, and once again, the whole idea behind this controller is that it's supposed to help people with limited mobility have an easier time playing their games. I haven't actually given it a test myself. I'm not the intended audience for this, but we do plan on doing a full review of this controller, which you can look forward to in the near future here on IGN. And on the back, you can see all these ports. It's designed to let the user customize the controller to their needs, to their experience. And you can plug in all sorts of different devices like mounts, buttons, joysticks, thumbsticks, whatever's going to work for that person and get them into the game more quickly and easily. So this is the Xbox Adaptive Controller. It's out now, it's $100. For much more on this and all things Xbox, stay tuned, IGN.